many are there. Harish is there, Surya is there. Baldev is there. Yeah. It's okay, no issues. One let me explain, nothing will happen. They already know. Explain second time is nothing will happen. Sure. Let me also conclude. Yes, very happy evening to everyone. So actually, we are going to conduct a webinar. I think everyone must be familiar to webinar. What is it? I'm not webinar, sorry, workshop. What is mean the workshop actually? This is one type of festival or some type of event organized by a particular department in any type of industry, institute. So here, the what is the main aim of this event is to make a particular assignment or to select a particular domain in which all the research persons, all the students or staff will take a part and present their ideas over the particular topic or particular domain. So this is the event in which not only we just learning from the daily we also come across to the whole not only national or state or only our institution. We can also enlarge our network to the international level. We invite the various type of students and staffs, many research persons to come in, take a part and present their views over the particular topic. So through this, we can learn a lot. Not only learning, we also have a network. We will also create a type of network which may be useful for many ways. We cannot limit it for a particular. So that is what basic thing about the workshop. So now in this event, whichever we are going to organize, this is not only limited for presentation of papers or presentation of particular topics. It is also comes with some other type of what you mean funds, some type of events like we also discussed earlier, like quiz competitions or some type of actually if it is in offline mode, we also keep some type of dance events. Many things will be, cultural activities also will be, but this is totally based on virtual, so we don't have access to such type of cultural activities, but somehow we'll make all the types of events, all types of activities which are possible virtually. This may be competitions like quiz, those may be competition like many are there. I don't know, each have their own ideas too. I was thinking only few, but when I just created a Google form and asked everyone today, so many different responses I got, but it was still limited. I will try to share with everyone so that we'll get many. So this is not a work of yes. Yes, sure. This is not limited to only our class. So we need this is as we know, this event is a big festival type. Everyone should take a part in it, and everyone should make it responsible. Sure. This was a trial one only. I'll make a good one with a clear, with a best clues and everything. We will, sure. We'll share with you. So actually, I just contacted yesterday also. I directly didn't contact to that any representative from the juniors. I just got their contact. I was waiting for them to join. So let us any of us who is so familiar to them, who is so friendly to them, let any of us shall assist them. Okay, who knows the best from the juniors? We have sure. Then you please take that responsibility to sharing with them. You just educate them regarding this so that they shall also actively participate in it. Okay, sure. So what we need to actually discuss, I think everyone is clear with what is in the workshop, right? So here what we need to discuss is now, as I said, we need to finalize the domain in which we are going to organize this event. In which we are going to organize this workshop. Here, domain means as from different response and different chat box, we got different titles to domain. Some says IoT, some says the 3D printing, some says different interesting topics. But so here, I was also thinking of it since yesterday that this particular domain should not be limited to the particular stream of engineering. Means it shall not be only limited to mechanical department or not. So let us select. It's my plan. I'm not saying this shall be only done. It's my opinion. I'm saying we'll discuss it and we'll finalize too. So I was thinking that let us select a particular domain in which all other departments can also take a part and share their views, present their papers. So this is what the first thing I would like to convey through this meeting, the first meeting. So I think it shall be a good one.
Okay, we will.
Yes,
What you are telling? Yes, I go on, go on.
Yes, yes, I.
the thought was is very good, and I'm saying it is irrespective of branches. Only I'm agreeing with the related to the mechanical branches like automobile engineering is a separate branch, but it is correlated to mechanical engineering.
Yeah, yes, yes.
These types of branches will be better if we select these types of branches.
Yes. So what size wanted to say is we must select a particular domain of base which is basically of mechanical but correlated to some other departments like automation will be having a basic term branch with mechanical engineering, but it is also related to electronics because with electronics alone we can make it automation. So such a way, right? Side.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we will be
For our
yes.
nothing for our first workshop, I think we can limit our fields. We need not confuse everything.
Sure. So that is why. So we need to also come up with a name of a workshop which is not limited to any particular branch. So like yesterday we were discussing that the name of the workshop shall be not name. The title of the workshop shall be like only manufacturing or automobile, not such a way. Like today morning also, today evening also we discussed in the group that we'll be having a name such like advancement in engineering field or something like that. So I'll share you all this form. You just give your reviews in that. Okay, you just give your views and explain in that too. Let's finally finalize a particular title of the workshop. We need two things of the workshop. One is the name shall be not respect to the title, it shall be differently. We should think of that too. Sir, can you please suggest regarding name, sir? You were saying to me yesterday, sir, how the name shall be selected.
You can decide, man.
Yes, sir, you just give some thought suggestion how the name shall be. You were saying to me, Nasa, it would be better you can share if you say share to your
You can do any name, but the name should have some meaning. Name should have some meaning. So I'm giving the example to Sai. So some colleges example, I'm not the writer that is covered. I'm not the topic is Forge 2021. Forge 2K21. That means the Forge will have some meaning. It is a mechanical operation, right? And then another college I'm known as Nicholas. Like some pronunciation should be like it is combination of nickel and metal. I'm taking the name part of the nickel and part of the chromium. So added to that. So if you ask somebody what is nickel, what is chromium, the nickel is very highly resistant. So mechanical students are very resistant to it. The given as Yantric. Somebody will ask what is Yantric 2021. So I can say it is mechanical 2021. Just I can translate to some other language also. I can give some peculiar names. The name should be in peculiar. So like that you can select any name. So we can go for even voting also. We can find which name is the best name. But that name should not be changed even after 20 years also. In natural history, if you are given one name, so next year, next batch students, now your third year is coming to final year, they may this program as 2020. And comes means they may conduct for 2023. That first name should be remain same. Only you have to change the year. So like that, you have to give
Yes.
one specific name. Nobody should change that name. Whenever you come, even after 20 years also, you have to ask, so when is that program? That name you have to tell. That program is there. We also fix the time frame also. It may be on June 1st week. Like GATE exam is February 2nd week always. So similarly, we have to conduct this program every year, this particular time. So like that also we can fix. So this year no problem because of COVID, we are postponing this up to June. For next year onwards, I may ask your juniors may be conducted. It is the second week of February at the day. So similarly, you can fix one section. Discuss among yourself, even go for Google. I'm also searching, like Acharya Mech, like the AEC, MECH or something I'm searching. Similarly, you also search and then find. No problem, you can take one day also for naming it. Understand?
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
naming we will take it a little bit slow, but before that we should know our process.
Yeah, you have to start your process. You will discuss your process.
So
No
what
problem.
are our flow chart? Sir, go with that again.
Yes.
We need a detailed one. I sent just like an overall view, but I needed a full detailed one so we can work on it individually.
Yes, obviously. So as sir informed us, suggested the best way through how we can select the name. This is the very important thing for us. So we'll give us let us all have some time for this thinking of that, and we'll finalize through forms too. We'll collect that data. So now and then next step is after finalizing the title.
Whoever gives the name, below that name you have to give the meaning.
Yeah,
How we
yes,
are
sir.
framing that name for that.
Yes,
That
sir.
has to be mentioned.
Sure,
Don't
sir.
simply give name as is Pantai altitude. If you are giving some name, just you have to describe what is the meaning of that particular name. Okay? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Sir,
Yes. Say Aarti. Aarti, sir.
nothing. You can go on. I was just directly skipping into main course.
Okay, fine.
Nothing.
So after finalizing the name on the domain, the next step for us is we need to totally organize all the types of thing like when shall we start the registration process. So before registration process, the first thing is we need to advertise regarding our regarding our workshop, because this plays a very important. This is only called as marketing or something. We need to have a big skill, because with this thing only we can acquire a greater network. So this particular thing, this particular teamwork need to have a greater effort. So we need someone among us who not only particular one, we need someone who shall take responsible. Not responsible will be given to everyone for this type of advertising or promoting sharing about our workshop, but we need a particular team who will design all type of animations or videos or posters, everything
I
regarding.
think Harish will speak on this.
Dude, I have tell the name right.
Yeah, you said
We
it
will
was.
also inform you so they can talk
Sure.
on it.
Yeah, for
Harish.
posters, Harish can do that.
Yeah, sure. Harish, are
Harish
you
is
there,
there
man?
and yes, he is there.
Harish,
Harish என்னது
ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஹரிஷ் போஸ்டர் வந்து நீ பாத்துட்டல
ரிசெக்ட் பண்ணாம அந்த சார் தான்
போஸ்டர் வந்து நீ பாரு பாத்துட்டு
Harish the great.
okay, fine. Not only Harish, everyone should take a part.
Harish
Explain
and
and
Farid
help
will
him.
do that because in third year Farid is willing to do all the stuff.
Sure.
Harish.
Okay, fine. We'll give this opportunity to him. Give this responsibility to him. Not only him, who are also having such skills, who does this type of animations or some type of advertising thing. Help him. Not only him, both of them join with.
Information we have.
Which information?
Proper information should be put
Sure.
in that poster.
So that is what we need to before his work start. We all need to decide when
Yes,
we
all need
shall
to decide
start.
the dates and all. Register
Yeah,
link.
dates. This is the 3 dates are very important for us. When we should start the registration. So when is the last date for registration, and then that when is the workshop to be conducted. So
Guys,
deciding that
just
is very important, because if we
I
decide and
want
if we cannot achieve all the circumstance
Wait,
within the time, we
Aarti
cannot.
is trying to tell something.
Yes.
okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
before this children stuff, no. First, what we are doing, that is the main thing. Is it only paper presentation or it is going to be also a PowerPoint presentation?
Yeah, PowerPoint presentation or paper presentation is up to them. They need to present about the particular topic.
No, we need to separate on this. Like if you are going for a paper presentation, we need an abstract. That abstract will be selected by our judges, that is from our department or other department engaged. So that and all we need to see. If it is a PPT, then we can go for direct presentation if the members are less, or we can go for selected presentations. So that's how it is. For
So
paper presentations, we need to see abstracts and all. We need to like make them submit a separate abstract. Then we go for paper presentation. Yeah.
approval of that and everything. So regarding this, we need to speak to our faculty only with HOD sir and other staff.
Actually,
Sir,
yeah.
sir, are you there, sir?
I think. Hello, sir.
Okay,
Sai,
fine.
are you? Do you want to say something?
Yes.
Say, sir.
Before these things, we have to finalize what are the activities we have to be included in this event. We have to finalize now. What
Yeah,
are
yeah,
the
yeah. Yes,
That's
yes,
what-
yes, yes.
conduct this event
So okay,
activities.
okay, fine. So as Artia asked, only paper presentation or PowerPoint, we will conclude that too. That both comes in a particular sector alone. So apart from that particular event of presentation from present hours, so what else the events we can conclude which comes under cultural activities, some other type of activities. So a few response as I got earlier, that if you were saying that quiz, we can conduct quiz. So virtual quiz, it seems.
That was not fewer, that was me.
So some, okay, fine. I didn't mention particularly anyone. Okay, fine. Thank you, Sona, for
okay.
mentioning that.
What you guys are saying is okay. Like we need to conduct a quiz or thing. We are at limited time. I think like we should limit our activities also. Don't you think?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
yes,
We
that's
should
right.
also limit too, but
Because
Let's only do this paper presentation first. Let's do that, and after that we can conduct this quiz and all.
okay, fine. Few,
We can't do it along with this.
sure, yes,
paper
because
presentation is a long work. I would like to say that.
Better we can
It's
go
a
with
long work.
PPT.
yes, Amar, as Amar is saying, let make it. Yes, let's make us 3 days workshop. That first day will be only paper presentation, and second day will be some other competitions, and third day will be the awarding section or conclusion section. That way, Amar is
No,
planning to
for
say.
that we must be in offline.
Yeah,
In
offline.
they
Yeah,
won't
yeah,
be
that is
so-
correct only.
In online they won't be so much enthusiastic to come here.
Yes, that is also a big issue, because we need to.
That's the main matter. So we should
There are
conclude it one day.
possibilities engaging, but
Yes,
They won't stand
see,
for long time.
so such type of enthusiasm we need to create in them with a term, especially known as motivation. I think we are well known through that subject in the last semester, motivation, intrinsics, extrinsics, everything. We need to
That's
go
what I'm
through that
telling, we can
principle.
conclude it in
So
one day.
we need
It was
see
better.
actually when what is the main mentality of the students who take a part actually. The students will take a part when he feels motivated. Means motivated is when he feels something is achieving great to him. So that is what actually the prize monies or the prize things or some type of certifications are awarding him will motivate that particular students to take a part. Few will be, although they get they will not be at motivated to such type of awards or reward system. They feel so we achieved many things, no need such. Some will think it's not useful at all, few will think that. So we need to study their mentalities, and we need to finalize the timing and what are the competitions too. So we should increase our award system, or at least such type of system which motivate the students to take a part.
I think in award system we can only make for this pandemic offline, online section means certificate.
Certificates,
Like
yeah.
best certificates will be different
kind of
design,
cash amount
normal
is there.
participation.
You can Google Pay, no problem.
Yeah.
Google Pay.
Cash
Not only Google Pay, we also have vouchers too, online, offline vouchers.
They are doing that.
Yeah, e-vouchers, we also have e-vouchers.
Directly from Amazon and directly give it to their mouse.
Okay, fine, we
Super
will
nice,
look about
super
it.
Sona. Okay, yeah.
So then if it is then in such type of award system, we will make it more than one day at least, because one day for paper presentation it will take time. And second day, I mean parallelly, if someone is presenting paper, some others shall also split up the section for creating, for conducting competitions. So we need to conclude what type of the competition we are going to conduct, I mean the event which we are going to conduct. So this is
Okay, what is
virtual.
the time actually? Like limited time we are having?
So
It depends on
we'll be
like.
having session every day. I think if it is about one day, we'll split into two sessions, two or three.
Not that. So until our exams are coming and all those things, actually, sir, if you can guide us, that will be helpful. I think we discuss.
I didn't get you.
I mean, like, what is the maximum time we are having? Do we have 1 month or like that? I'm asking. Are you going to conduct it in next week
For what?
for
So
our exams or other things and all? Like
For
that. I'm asking.
concluding our engineering, she is asking.
ஆமா மொத்தமா கிளம்பி
Correct.
like that. ஆமா completing our degree and our exams.
so Sar said that actually when I discussed, so make it whenever it's possible by next week or next after that week too. But if there is some sudden notification from college that we have exams, such thing, we can postpone it. No issues, now. That way Sar said we can postpone it.
Okay.
So prepare for your thing. If something happened interrupted, like exams are conducted or some type of project reviews are conducted, then we can postpone it. So this is totally virtual now,
Okay,
so we
fine.
don't have any issues regarding that.
Okay. Then are you sure, guys, that we are going to have a paper presentation?
So that is the only main thing in workshop. That is sure.
Okay.
Paper or
Then we are
PowerPoint.
concluding that.
That is concluded. The first thing is concluded. The second and third one is what about the extra competitions. So okay, if you have any ideas, say about that, like example quiz or something, or else we will also have a review from all the department students through forms. Let us see their reviews about their extra event to be concluded, and we will finalize too. So if so, now if anyone have any idea regarding such thing, can you please tell us and share us? Harish,
Yeah,
Amar,
let's make it
Saimek.
a 3-day workshop. Like 2 days, like in between different paper presentations, we'll give some competitions, quiz like that and all. Then the awards will be presented on the third day. It will be interesting.
Sure.
And you can keep group discussions, etc., etc., etc. We can make people in. So looking at our college itself, there will be 150 people. If all the HODs, all the departments, we force the students, minimum 100 students will come, and we have to like advertise for other schools also. I mean colleges also. So
Yes.
minimum 150 students, there will be participation for sure. So we can divide them into group. There are like for conducting quiz, group discussions, etc. We can divide into different groups and do it. So in between presentations, if we include the quiz and etc., the time will go on. 1 day, 2 day. The third day we can announce the awards and etc. There won't be students going out. They will be coming for sure if they are interested more. Like if they know that they're gonna win or something.
Sure, Amar. Thanks for your valuable suggestions and valuable review of this. So, as you said, if we are going to, conduct some type of competition, then sure we'll take this way. So, regarding that, we'll also discuss after reviews too. So now another thing is, so for award system, we shall have some main financial support too. Am I right or no? We cannot conduct anything in awarding system without that financial support.
For that we have to
That is what.
We have to make some
What is the
research for
source for that? Anyone have their opinions? How shall we collect and what are the procedures source for
There
that?
is no. Wait, Harish is saying something.
Say Harish.
Crowdfunding da.
Yes, da.
Okay.
Outsourcing,
Crowdfunding da.
crowdfunding. Yeah. Then, how? In which way, da? Explain how is crowdfunding means.
Crowdfunding in the sense from our classmates and from our departments.
So we should finalize any minimum amount or
That's
maximum
the
amount.
only source.
That is
Everyone can contribute a minimum of 50 rupees da. That's enough, right?
Yeah, that's enough. That's what I texted you, sir.
okay. Fine. So okay, fine. From other students who are joining from out of the institute, I think it's not possible. It's not possible. They won't join if it is free at all. So
workshop.
okay, we will take.
Sai was saying something.
Say Sai.
Hello, sir. It's better to make some entry fees for a workshop da.
Okay, fine. So okay, as per
It's like 30 rupees an hour.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
As from the review
It's
from
make, it
Harish and
makes some
Saimek, were you want to say something, Sai?
it makes some effectiveness towards the paper presentation. Towards the participants,
Okay, Sai. So see,
the persons who actually wants to join, they can join. Because why? Because we are charging for them now.
okay. So you
We
need
can
to
avoid
charge
the
even the person who participates or only the person who presents.
no only who presents
Sure.
presents the
That's
paper.
good. That's good. Okay, fine. That sounds
Or
good.
else we can charge for both.
I have a
But
doubt.
Yes.
somewhat
lenient we have
Say
to be.
Sona, what should do?
Is it an individual presentation or it's a group presentation?
So presentation will be only
Paper
individual.
presentation is for individual one. Maybe if we are introducing for PPT, that will be a group. That can be a
So
two or three. That's all.
yeah, in this presentation they may also have project presentations too, like some any type of new or innovative projects. They may also present that with a paper, PowerPoint as well as project. In that they may also have a group presentation. So we should also include this type of other sectors. So okay, fine. So regarding fees and sponsorship, as Harish and Sai and many of them concluded that, so those who are going to present papers, those who are going to present either projects or PowerPoints, anything, they will be charged. Okay, that may be the amount minimum. I'm thinking 30 or 50 something. So we will also get through the reviews with everyone and we'll conclude it based on the maximum responses. So I was also thinking to say that students may have some amount of charges and staff on some other persons will have some other amount. Is it okay? Like students will be having a fee of presentation as 50 and staff or from other colleges will have the fee of around 100 something. It's okay now?
It's okay.
Okay, fine.
yes.
So this is about the basic thing, and also each of us from all the students from mechanical department alone will have to sponsor their own we are not going to force them. This is their own responsibility. They should sponsor. We will request everyone to sponsor at least of 50 per head. So in case he or she may also sponsor more than that too. It is totally his or her willing. So that is how we also gather sponsorship. And another thing also is there for sponsors, that is to advertisement. We will also go through outsourcing for sponsorships from such type of any industries. We can give their advertisement through animations or through videos, and we'll collect some funds through them. They are totally one type of sponsors which are outsourcing sponsorships. We used to have that, na? Do you remember? If we used to conduct any type of big event for advertising their industry name, their company name or their shop name, we used to collect some fund. They will only sponsor something. So this is also one type of sponsor, but for this type we need to have a team who will go and collect such sponsorship individually. They need to have some network. So we need also such type of volunteers. We need also have such type of person who will take in charge of that, because that is a tough one. They need to go and communicate with such ownerships or such type of persons. So yeah, so we will also discuss. If anyone have such ideas, can you please share now? Anyone have such a person who can sponsor? Anyone? So I think in the third year, some when one third year, I think third year or second year. So one type of event was being organized for that. Balmohan and some of our friends went to one hotel and they got sponsorship from there too. So this is also one. I just want to say that this is also one type of sector through which we can also get sponsorship. Okay, we'll plan for that also. And this is all about the financial sourcing. And next one, what we need to discuss. Sai, anything else we need to discuss, ma'am?
We should think about judges. Are we inviting HODs
Yes.
for departments?
Who will be the judges?
Yeah, regarding that, I had discussed with our HOD sir. Sir said no issues, we'll manage it. So from our department only, we'll be having such type of judges. No issues for that. There will be obviously HOD sir and Anbusan sir or some other staffs too. We can also invite judges from other department too, because if it in case that other departments are presenting papers, So not only mechanical field.
Uh,
Yes, yes, yes. What?
we have to surely invite other departments also. Even
Sure.
it is what is it?
Yeah.
Our
So
only
participation shall be for other department too, obviously. So we are not only going to do. All staff will also participate in it. So now, anything else? Yes, we need to discuss.
okay. We are sure with paper presentation, and if you are you guys planning for
We
quiz
have
also?
to limit with the domains.
Domains.
Yes, as Amar said, so we'll be having only paper presentation from other departments. I mean, other invitees. So they'll come and present. But at the end of the session or end of the workshop, we need to have one special guest who will come and conclude total overall view or total overall what you mean knowledge over that particular topic. We need that person.
Here Amar
So
has also posted one thing like we
yeah,
need one hour session with some experienced person, like a guest lecture.
yes,
I think that is a thing, right, Amar?
yeah, that is what he said. So we need also think
Yeah,
about
that's
that.
what I said.
So regarding that, we need to invite some delegates. I mean, some type of well experienced and totally honored one from
I think HOD can handle that.
only that.
I
Yeah,
think
only
so.
HOD sir and some other faculties only can handle. I mean, handle that.
Otherwise, sir, you can find one.
No, no,
I
no.
think
So everyone will
maybe on
find.
your connection.
Everyone
I mean,
will
like
search for that.
your connection. I'm just.
Okay, fine. Everyone will search for that, and let's see the response, and we'll finalize it. Okay. So now this is all about to the organizing of a workshop, man. So I think we had concluded the maximum things where we need to discuss the name, title, topic. Dates are to be discussed initially. I said. So what are you thinking, everyone? So when shall we conduct? Next week or next after that week or next month starting? How many days
I
we
think
need
next month
for
starting
organizing all
will
these things?
yeah,
We need at
it's
least
2
4
weeks.
to 5 days.
2 to
2 weeks will take.
4 to 5 days.
Sir?
To
Hello, sir.
discuss all
Yes,
the
I.
names and all. It will take a week, now.
At least it will take a week only for advertising
We
all.
are not limiting the domains, no. If we
Wait. The Sai
I
is telling
think
something.
No, Sai was only saying something. Say Sai. We are not limiting the domain.
if we are not limiting our domains now, if we get a number of papers now, how will manage the time?
So that
no,
is
we are
what.
going to just select. I think so. We will have.
But the
It
selection.
depends on how many abstracts we are getting.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. If we are not limiting the domains now, if we get a number of papers related to these some particular domains, how can we evaluate? Why? Because we need some time to select. No.
Uh,
Ah,
yes.
oh, you
So
are
okay,
saying
fine.
about domains.
Regarding that,
Numbers.
Sai. So we'll decide a time where our workshop will start. Okay. So later, if we'll get registered, whoever are going to present now, we'll at least be having a total data of who are going to present at least 1 week ahead. Okay. So after getting all the data, we will decide how many sessions to be concluded. At a time, parallel sections can be also conducted, or else if there are limited, we'll conduct with single session. Okay.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
So that
I
way
think we
we'll
can
decide
bring
after
only
registration
mechanical.
only.
That was I'm saying. We have to limit our domains from the starting onwards. I'm saying
No
we
man,
have to
we
limit
are
our.
no need to limit because it is we are going to make it in such a manner international level. We are planning actually. Think aim up. Look up, aim high. Okay. Think in a big way. We are not going to level as it is virtual one. So many. The more the network we have, the more the invitees, the more the presenters will come. Okay, we are not going to limit them. So after the registration, we'll get a clue. We'll get a total thing. At least 1 10 minutes each presenter is presenter. We have 100 presenters. It will take around how many minutes? We'll calculate it and we'll think if there is a limited for 1 day or 2 day. We'll split up the sections. We'll split up the sections. We'll split up the judges. We'll split up the presenters too. Okay, as Amar also concluded that thing only. We'll split up the sections. So not only that, we may also have a huge amount of participants too in case thinking in a positive way. I'm saying I'm not going to take a negative travel. So think in a high end manner. Okay, think that we have around 1,000 participations too. In that thing, in that way also, if you think we are going to conduct in a virtual way, it is in Zoom it is limited to 100. In Teams app we cannot. In Google Meet around we have such a thing, or in a Cisco WebEx only we can conclude that one. So we need to have an access for that too. The digital team who is going to organize shall be running an effective and backup way, planning that accordingly, shall split up the sections, split the judges. In that way we need to organize everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, well, what is the first step now? And what is the time? And
So-
like when we have to have the next meeting?
So now, first of all, we will just what you mean. We'll finalize the topic and a domain within a particular date. Now, let us think around. We'll be having a 2 to 3, or at least this weekend. On next Monday, we'll finalize the domain and name of the workshop. So after that, will come to a point when we will conduct this workshop. Okay. So because after finalizing
Hey,
that only,
sir.
yes.
Better
How
to
much
first.
participants are you thinking they will come?
So
Do you have any approximate
we don't
idea?
have a
I
limit
don't
for
think
this.
there will be much fun.
So
No, sir. Why?
I know.
it is totally dependent
Yeah.
on our network, Atya. The greater the network we have, the greater, because it is virtual. It is not limited to particular college or particular institute or particular university. If it is a virtual, it is limitless. It have an access to international level. So this is totally dependent upon you and me and all of our students network. So
Okay,
after
sir.
registration only we can come to know. Say Sai.
First, we have to conclude the what are the things to be included in the advertise. No.
Like
Then we
That's
have
what
to.
I'm asking for a long time, da.
That's why.
First, we have to do the posters, we have to do the videos.
yes.
Yeah, first we don't even know the event for confirming.
We don't even know the names. So by next week, I think we have to conclude with the names and all the details.
Next, we have to
Then
fix
we
the
can go with the
We need
PPTs
to
and
have
that
yeah.
poster.
We need a solid idea on what are the things we are going to present, how many days. That should be decided first before going into poster making on whatsoever.
So Yugesh,
Yeah.
and many are there joined. They are
Suddenly
not
call-
speaking.
Hey, where is Sunil?
Naveen,
Ra?
Sunil.
That is-
So we can also get sponsorship from such thing also. Someone said that we'll be having a
Yes,
sponsorship from
Sunil,
Sunil Tekada, BM Travel,
then from Balamohan.
Balmohan.
Yeah,
They are
BM
celebrities,
They
no?
are all
Actually, we
multi-millionaires.
Multi-millionaires,
Ah,
multi-subscribers.
multi subscribers. Yeah. So what is our next task, sir? Go on.
So our task,
We will go through Amesa. We will put Amesa, and under Amesa we are going and doing this workshop. That's it.
Yeah, that's the better thing to do.
Amesa?
Yep.
Yes, Amisa. Hey, don't
Ye-
tell that you don't know. My heart will
Really?
break.
Really, I don't
Vice
know.
President of Amesa is sitting here. Oh, so sad.
I really don't know.
In
Sir.
front of the president, you are telling like this, huh? What is this, huh?
Amesa.
Yes, of
How
course.
come we are not even aware of something that is happening in our classroom? This is
Amesa.
whole college thing.
Really, I don't know.
Hey, hey.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, what is it?
Sir.
Sir, in all, wait. In all the webinar, he used to tell that I'm very thankful for the committee members. Who is that?
Who is
Of
that?
course it's us.
Even without knowing, he is telling me that thanks for the committee member.
Committee members.
Yeah.
means- I only know that committee joint secretary or principal secretary is only Sona. I know that only.
Guys,
Because,
sir came to say something. Just we will
Sir,
hold our
everyone
mics.
please hold on. Sir, say something, sir. I don't know who is Amesa, sir. Really, sir.
Who is Amisa?
Sir,
Very good.
what is that, sir?
Some amount to the Amesa, I think.
Wait, let him talk. Sir, you talk.
Sir, you speak, sir, please.
You
Sir.
know
Sir?
He knows Hamsa, ma. You don't know Amisa.
Hamsa, who is that, sir? Sir, really, I don't know, sir. Everyone are making fun of me, sir. Please explain, sir.
Everyone will make fun of you, da.
Sir,
Because there was a big tug of war over there.
Hey,
Sir.
Vice President, go on for introduction of Amesa.
sir.
Hey, you are the vice president, man.
I don't know, sir, please.
Hey, I am a secretary. You are the Vice President.
Sir, sir. Everyone please mute yourself.
Hey, president now. Aren't you vice president?
No, ma.
Okay, what's the president? Go on with introduction of Amrisa.
Hey, at last you came with you don't know Amrisa. What is this one?
Really, I don't know. I'm so sad for. means, so sorry.
Okay, go on. Come on,
Okay,
Sona.
say explain.
We have second years also.
Dude, it's like a student committee
For our department.
for our department.
Well, let me introduce myself. I am secretary of this department.
When it
Not
was
secretary, he's the
organized,
vice president.
where were I when it was organized?
It was
Hey,
organized.
what is the full form?
Say that one. Say that first.
Mechanical Engineering Students Association.
Yeah. See?
Wow, we
Yes,
have a
ask
good
me.
organization
Ask the
too.
president.
That's great.
Ah,
Okay, fine.
that's great. You're good.
Okay. Then okay. I'm sorry for that. Yeah. So conclude this. I think we are running out of time. Yes.
That's why I'm telling about Harish and Shasran. They did all the other work for the Amita.
Okay. Yes. That was conducted right. So I didn't join that
That's
because
why
of
I'm telling
COVID.
it Shasran and Harish, Shasran and Harish.
Okay.
I will give the details for the.
Yes, sir.
ஹரிஷ் பண்ணா
Harish.
இல்ல ஹரிஷ் பண்ணா பட் அந்த போஸ்ட் வந்து வேணாம்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. That's the matter.
Harish on the poster வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. It is very heartbreaking.
அப்படியா?
Yes, my brothers poster வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க.
அது எனக்கு தெரியுமே.
Okay, fine. Regarding this also, many
We will
as of
wind up,
now,
I think.
yes, we need to wind up also. It's running out of class.
Because Saad is busy.
Not later. It's time for prayer for me. Okay, fine. Not for my sake. I shall not conclude this one. So now, first of all, we need to educate regarding this to our main, pillars of our class. That is all our friends. So many of us don't know as of now what is this going on, what's everything is going on. So among us, everyone shall speak to all the friends who are in contact with them and shall educate regarding this. So not only limited to our class but also to juniors. So we will have a response sheet in that, not only through voice, we'll get through a collected data and a data sheet when we will be having a when we will conduct the workshop, which date is date for us, but all the particular dates we have now, we'll list that one, we'll get through a written scripted way. Okay, fine. And we'll also get the details of other activities, other cultural activities which we need to conduct too. Okay,
Okay.
sure.
By next week, I think.
Not next week, we need that is to be I'll create a form, and I'll upload in all the groups, so we'll share with that.
You just sent me. I will send to the
Sure.
juniors.
So we need to also
You can add those juniors in the shop. Workshop, Mecon workshop or
sure.
whatever.
Yeah, but I have to tell about them, tell to them about this PPTs and all.
Yes, we need to educate them first initially.
We will complete the workshop. Yeah. Then we actually have our next meeting. Before that, we will complete whatever the works are there.
So after getting responses, we will also plan for next meeting for for finalizing the volunteers
We
for
will give
responsibilities.
music session, yes. We will give band. We will give rap music.
Yeah, sure.
Singing competition. Very well. Very super. Hey, mic la sound बढ़िया கேட்காது.
आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? पूरे कैमल डे की तरह बोल रहे हैं एकदम.
No, we'll keep someone to sing, not a competition, just for the relaxation of mind of my kids.
First relaxation.
There are tons of sessions going on. We cannot have that
We
much
can
big
we
session.
can play Acharya's meditation music and they will sleep.
Only in the end. That is
No, at the end of the
sorry.
at the end of the session, you can
Sorry, sir. I didn't say anything. I said
Hey, it is really making me sleep, yeah. That's why I'm telling. It's honest review from heart.
Okay, watch when you're saying who is near you. Okay, who is like who is guiding you?
So anything we need to conclude? Girish, would you like to share something? Girish joined now. He was also so active in groups too, Mecon groups too. Girish?
I see he's recently being active.
Atya,
And for yeah.
I will send you a private message and send it to someone. I will say, okay.
Okay, first, please, everyone who joined now, please let's take a review from all everyone now who is in today's group. So who is there? Surya.
Only 5 hours.
Five of us. Many of them
Surya,
left.
yes, Surya has left.
Oh my God.
Don't count him.
So
He's
only
left.
we were speaking. Say Sai.
Girish is in mute.
Girish
And
is
then there is
inactive, I
left
think.
for 5 of us.
Su-
Star is clearing all our buttons and he is being silent.
Say Sai.
Unfortunately, he's
Firstly, we had to fix our domains and we had to make some posters related to our event and we had to post. After that, we had to generate some links to register for the event.
Yeah. Yes.
After getting some
you are telling two
registration, then we can plan the total event. How many days we have to take.
Okay, Sai.
Yeah, you are saying is that we need two posters,
Yes, Sai.
one for introduction and another for detailed things of our AMESA workshop.
Yes.
For the poster, we must include the things we have to do in the poster.
Yes.
We are
Yes.
saying
Yes.
that we are going to introduce that. First, we are going to introduce that at this month, like we are going to conduct this, we are going to advertisement, that's I want to say, advertise from the start. Then a second poster will be posted with all the necessary details.
Yeah.
We will be simultaneously.
So you are going with two posters.
Why do we need a
poster? Anyway, it is online only.
See, it is this poster is not limited. Advertising is the only thing through which we get a network. So we will be having a different developed way. Okay. So the animations, everything. Yeah.
Amar is saying the poster itself must be so informative about everything.
Yes. Yes. So it is totally dependent on our the Harish.
People,
To be informative, we have to limit our domains.
Yes. So here we see.
I agree with Tamar.
Not only about the paper presentations and all the activities, about the different readings, all of that.
No. That's what I'm coming to
We have to
say.
limit the paper presentation.
See, in the poster, we are not going to give the details about the particular titles or nothing. We are only going to give a particular name. So, like advancement in industrialization, advancement in engineering field, advancement in something like that, which is not particular to particular stream. It is totally such a way that all domains will be included. So, seeing that
Just
addressing, that's it.
okay, sir.
Okay, fine. We will conclude this soon because we will be having a second meeting. So after getting the responses, we'll privately discuss with everyone. So first thing now, the first task for all of us is we need to educate from our friends initially, because without everyone's support we cannot do. We need to make them active. We need to encourage them. We need to make them participative. This is the first thing for us. So after everyone has involved and after collecting everyone's data and responses regarding all these questions which you raised today, we will then create a second scheduled meeting in which we will give up the responsibility. We will frame the names of the particular sector of peoples. We will frame the name of the media team as now discussed. We will frame the name of the registration team. We will frame the name of advertising team. Something we will give the particular registration. Then we will start the work with other activities like promoting, inviting the people from other universities, inviting the people from in your circle. Yeah. So in that way we'll start even registration processes. We'll start then after concluding that we'll get a total sector, sheet in which total registrations completed. After we're getting that sheet, we'll then conclude a third meeting in which we are going to discuss about how many who will take when we'll start the workshop, who will be split as sections, or what is the timing. We'll decide. That will be concluded later. Okay, so totally we'll be having two more review meetings. So from next meeting, I think not only this five.
Actually, I'm trying to tell something for long.
Not something, it's just like,
Yes.
are we going to record all those meetings that we are going to conduct? Like, not these meetings, about the workshop. We will just take all the recordings
See-
and put it on the, YouTube?
Yes, we will also think that will also. So we will think we'll do one thing. We'll do the live telecast too, as well as We'll also have a total screen record and total data backup will save into a drive too. Okay,
Yes.
sure, that is also will be included. So anything else we need to discuss now?
Hey, Sahar.
Say.
That's what I'm about to tell. Hey, Asita has உங்ககிட்ட சொல்றது ஜாத்தியா அசீதா ஈசி இருக்காங்கல்ல அவங்க வந்து இன்ஸ்டால வந்து ஐடி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிருக்காங்க
யாரு யாரு
அசீதா ஈசி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஹேவ் இன்ஸ்டா ஐடிஸ் ஓவர் அசீதா
Yes,
that
yes,
is like their committee members and so we should have some page for that also.
yes. We'll be having an official YouTube page. All social media page will have.
And that
Yes.
is for Amisa, okay va?
Okay, Amisha. Okay,
Amesa.
Okay.
Underline the word up.
okay,
You
okay.
have to educate yourself, sir. First, know what the committee is doing.
Now I understood.
First know what is going on in the class. Then we
Okay.
can learn about what is going on over the world.
Educating ourselves.
Class is going on.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
Joint
yes,
Secretary and President of Amisha. We will learn it. No issues.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad.
Do I have any role in that? I don't know whether I'm in a part of that Amisha or not.
No, because you were
Don't
in
even
college that day.
तुझे अमित भी पता नहीं है यार.
You don't even know Amisa. We have to give you some role. We
No,
will
no,
give
no.
you egg roll. Come.
No need. I'm part is okay. Fine, I'll take that part now.
You have a role of a participant, member of the.
Volunteer.
Yes, volunteer.
Volunteer.
Hey, we can make it today. Okay, we can make it today, Amar. You make some. Hey, not that. He is telling about the Insta ID, man.
Yeah, Insta ID. I'm asking Amisha Insta ID. We need official YouTube channel too. We need. Yes, say.
FB में
Say.
भी post करके.
Wait, Sad.
Yes.
Do you know the symbol of Amrisa? Have you seen the symbol of Amrisa?
ये मुझे सच में
Of
पता
course
नहीं
you
यार.
won't know.
मेरे को क्यों बार बार पूछ रहे हो तुम लोग?
बात क्या यहाँ पे?
It is hurting me a lot, Ra. Hurting me a lot.
Yeah, I was absent
हम
actually.
अमित वालों को.
When Amisha was conducted, I was not
Better you go
present
and
in
educate
Pondicherry.
about the college itself. Now
Yes.
itself.
It was the biggest event happening in our college at that time. In auditorium, we had a big blast. Everyone put status. तुमने status भी नहीं देखी?
स्टेटस देखा मगर उसका नाम क्या पता मेरे को, वही हमेशा बोल के कुछ इवेंट कंडक्ट किए थे उतना ही.
He even asked me what is that.
हाँ, हो सकता है.
When I posted the status, he asked me what was it about. And I asked money from him.
Yeah, I sponsored it. I don't know what is that too, but I sponsored.
He didn't pay the money, I think.
No, I paid. As soon as she asked, I paid. Within seconds.
तुम्हारा वही workshop में तब
He
होगा.
paid the money. I collected from him. I know that.
हाँ.
Without knowing anything, he paid.
They said some event they are conducting. That's it.
Sir, give me 50 rupees.
So fine. So then I think already if such event is conducted, we may have some type of volunteers who had already participated and well experienced. We'll make use of that.
Committee form करने के बाद कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है ना सर?
हाँ, नहीं.
हुआ था क्या? नहीं
नहीं
ना?
मालूम, नहीं मालूम.
I
Okay.
went
What happened to Santosh Karnakaran and many others?
song in work.
Why are you keeping on song?
इवेंट नहीं है, कहाँ पे क्या वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन का गाना गाए क्या?
Yeah. Better we conclude right 7 o'clock, man.
That is what I concluded many times. Again, I am going to conclude. It is extended around.
Okay, concluded. Bye.
So I concluded.
What he said.
Sai, you conclude what I said, man. Anything
आज
else?
क्या हुआ? आज का सर चले गए.
They are just postponing the work.
That is a good
That's
one.
what we concluded in this session.
वही तो.
Not postponing. Okay, once again I will conclude. Wait. Even Padnavam came just now. I will conclude now. Please stay. Keep muted yourself. I will conclude once again.
Stay tuned to Amisa workshop. Bye.
Sure. So see, what we concluded is we are going to get all response sheets from everyone. We'll get the data and we'll decide we will schedule all the timings and what you mean title, name, domain, everything. We'll get the details of that. And later we'll be having a second schedule meeting. In that we'll decide all the committee members or sector members or responsible members for particular area or particular sector. So before the second meeting we need to educate with everyone. We need to educate about this workshop with individually. Everyone should share to your friends, classmates, juniors. So for everyone initially we need to share and we need to make them participate to with energetic in the second scheduled meeting. So in the second scheduled meeting we are going to give all the responsibilities. We are also going to take responsibility. We shall not only throw on a particular single person. So everyone shall take the responsibility and start the work for with out of the campus. We need to go on with the streaming for sponsorship. We need to go on with the inviting presenters, not only limited to university, not only limited to state, or not only limited to nation. It shall be international level. So for that thing we before the further thing we need to have an official ID or official social media network too. So as at last it was discussed that we need to have an Instagram ID something. So regarding that too also we need to finalize by tomorrow or day after tomorrow who is going to take in charge of creating an ID and having a backup on account details of that thing also. We'll discuss it soon. Not discussing, we need to finalize it because that is the first thing through which we can create a network. Okay, now the last scheduled meeting and the last stage is after all inviting, after all registration, after getting all the details of presenters and papers, everything we need to discuss about the event organization, means timing, procedure, sessions. And before that too we should also have a good guest, honorable some other outsourced person who will conclude the topic of all these domains. That's it. This is all about today's first meeting review or first meeting conclusion. Anything if I left, some of us can also help me to conclude anything if I left. That's it.
Nothing much, I think.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, from this myself Abdullah, I am trying to sign out. Thank you guys. Good night. Sign out.
So we'll take
Sai
it
used
as
to
sponsor.
so we will have sponsorship too.
Okay, or what? You are signing up?
Signing up.
I'm signing out.
He's just what to say, addicted to Sunil Tech.
Not Sunil Tekar, with HOD sir. Tirumala sir used, HOD sir used to say that.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Say
Tell
Sai.
Sai.
Hi is active.
Say Sai. We concluded it now.
He's calling your name.
Sign out, please.
Shall I sign out? Hey, why you guys are not signing out?
क्या कर रहे हो ऐसे बोल रहा है वो.
Okay, bye.
Sai, can I sign out? Can I sign out? Can I sign out? Bye.